Well, hi guys. I've chosen to vlog from my phone today because it seems that no matter what I do, I can't get myself in focus on the Nikon D7000, so yeah. Also, this room is really messy. Anyway, trying to live by the motto, done is better than perfect. So, shooting with my phone a little bit. I'm not gonna make this long. It's my birthday. 28 years old. Woo! So I flew the drone a couple days ago. The weather was kind of shit, and I took my dad with me to kind of just show him what I'm doing with it and what it looks like, and a little peer pressure on the way back down. He was like, try to land it on the case, because that's, you know, where I launch it from, is from the top of the case. There. Aimed it pretty good, landed, the landing pads hit the box, but then it fell off. But yeah, so basically doesn't really work very well trying to land it on the box. There's no reason to try to land it on the box. You can just land it on the ground and the propellers will turn off, and yeah, you can avoid having to make a 45-minute phone call to GoPro Care. That was a lot of heartache. Really kind of bummed that getting a replacement part with the warranty isn't any easier. As you can see, I have not put any effort into appearances. I realize I've got a lot of glare on my glasses. What I really want, and even though it's my birthday and I can kind of afford it, is the Panasonic G7. It's a mirrorless camera. Nice and lightweight, and I can't demo this right now because I don't have it. The viewfinder in the back flips around and you can see yourself. It's a touch screen, so you can kind of touch what you want to focus. It's really quick. I've watched some reviews. It just makes me want it even more, but I'm trying to be good, try not to impulse buy, maybe look and see what's out there. Anyway, I gotta kind of wrap this up because there isn't really that much storage on my phone. Basically, I already had to airdrop that first part of the video to my Mac in order to continue recording. So, I'll be sure to put the footage that I got with my dad that first day, and also what I kind of went out and shot with my mom today. I need more friends. But anyway, I will be putting that incidental footage on there, as well as some kind of cooler stuff I got today. Got a little bit more confident, kind of circled around the island a little bit here, and also, again, trying to kind of live by done is better than perfect. So as much as I'd rather kind of put out just polished, nice, finished videos that are perfect and are perfectly lit and shot on real camera, not just my phone, I'd rather keep making stuff, keep creating content, improving, failing, learning, and getting it out there. But anyway, I hope you can kind of see where I'm starting to improve a bit. I know I've got a long way to go, but it's kind of fun getting there. Anyway, I'll have a new video out next week, so I'll see you then.